everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. I know I'm doing a sit down video after a really long time. I think last जो मैंने करा था वो मैंने Nykaa recommendations किया था, उसके बाद में कोई sit down video नहीं आई है और उसके बाद I think 1.5-2 महीने तक सन्नाटा था मेरे चैनल के ऊपर. But thank you for sticking around and not unsubscribing to my channel. So talking about this video, as you've already read the title of the video, today's video is going to be very easy to do Karwa Chauth beginner friendly look. अगर आप beginner हो, अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है कि मेकअप कैसे करते हैं, मैं भी beginner ही हूँ, मैं कोई इतनी बहुत बड़ी pro नहीं हूँ. So if you are a beginner like me and you do not know how to, do the makeup and everything, I've done a very nicely detailed video. And all the products that I've used in today's video, जितनी भी products हैं, सारे products के links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. मैंने स्किन केयर ऑफ कैमरा किया था, but उसके भी links मैं नीचे description box में आपके लिए छोड़ दूंगी, so that if you want to purchase those products, you can definitely go ahead and try them. And without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Raddhika. I make beauty related video and vlogs on my channel. I forgot for a minute, but yes, I make beauty related content and vlogs on my channel. So if you enjoy watching such content, do not forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and also click on the bell icon right next to it, so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. And with that, let's get started with the video. So let's get started. The very first product that I'm going to be using is this one. This is the Dewy Hydrating Mist from Mascara collection. I've generously sprayed this all over my face and I'm going to wait for it to dry and then I'm going to jump on to my next step. Next, I'm going to apply a concealer that matches my skin tone. Now this is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Liquid Concealer in the shade 20 Nude, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corners, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit on the eyelids as well, so that it acts as a nice base for the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to take this concealer perfector brush from Mascara collection and I'm going to nicely blend everything. Next, I'm taking the foundation. This is the Sugar Cosmetics Reach for Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade 27 Vienna. I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, not taking a lot क्योंकि ये अच्छा खासा high coverage है, तो बस ये इतना सा मैं लेकर and I'm going to dot it all over my face. Do not ever forget your neck area. Now I'm going to take this beauty blender from Parush. Earlier it was Plume. And I'm going to blend everything nicely on my face. It's a damp beauty blender and damp beauty blenders actually help in blending the foundations really nicely. Next, I'm going to take this concealer from Wet n Wild and I'm going to apply this concealer on the eyelids again and on the under eye area as well, so that अगर और कोई darkness बची है या कुछ भी है तो everything cancels out. This is yet another concealer that actually matches my skin tone. I don't like using lighter concealers. I'm more of that, same kind of a concealer girl, same shade concealer girl. Next, I'm going to be taking this compact from Nykaa. This is the All Day Matte Compact Powder. I'm going to pick it up using this Mascara triangle pizza puff. I'm going to nicely apply it under my eyes to set my under eyes. You can also apply it all over your face. It's a very nice matte compact powder. Now after I've nicely applied under my eyes and on my eyelids, I'm going to, with very light hand apply it all over my face to set my base in place. Now after all of that is done, I'm using this Nykaa, this brown color actually from Nykaa eye color palette in the shade Variant Night Out. I'm going to pick the dark brown color generously on a fluffy brush, dust off the excess and deposit it only on the outer corner, bringing it towards the inside. After I'm I'm done with the brown shadow on my eyelids in the outer corner and a little bit dragging it towards the inside, I'm going to be using the shimmer shade. This is from Colourpop. This is the Super Shock Ultra Glitter eyeshadow in the shade Mighty Morphin. And I'm going to pick it up using my finger because finger is going to give me a very nice pigment. I'm going to pick it up nicely using my finger. I'm going to apply it nicely all over my eyelid. Now as you can see, there are a little bit of harsh lines on the eyelids. So जिस brush से मैंने अपना brown shadow लगाया था, I'm not going to pick up any brown shadow on this. जो भी इसके ऊपर है उसी से I'm just going to, with very light hand, just brush all over so that the harsh lines are no more harsh. Now I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl Kajal in the shade Very Vanta, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners just over here. And using this blending maestro brush, I'm with very light hand going to smudge it. Next I'm taking this mascara from Maybelline. This is the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I'm going to apply it nicely on my eyelashes. I love this mascara. It's waterproof, but oh my goodness, and it's difficult to remove, but the kind of length and volume it gives to the lashes in a single coat. You don't have to go on with multiple coats. So now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to jump on to finishing my base makeup. So I'm going to start using the contour. This is the Face Forward Contour Stick in the shade Espresso Edge from Sugar Cosmetics. I'm just going to dot 1 and 2 over here because it's very pigmented, and 1 and 2 over here. I'm going to take a different side of this particular sponge or beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it nicely. Taking a little bit of liquid blush from the Pack Sara Dewy Liquid Blush collection in the shade Turkish Delight. This is yet another very pigmented blush. You do not want to go overboard with this. So just 1 dot here and very small tiny dot here. 1 dot here and very small tiny dot here. For the highlighter, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in the shade Champagne Champion, my most favorite highlighter. I love this. It's very pigmented, gives a very nice finish and very easy to blend. I'm going to spray this yet again all over my face. Let it dry so that the makeup melts in really nicely. Lastly, lipstick. So any Karwa Chauth makeup is actually incomplete without a red lipstick. आप चाहे कैसा भी मेकअप कर रहे हो, अगर आप मेकअप नहीं भी कर रहे हो और सिर्फ एक अच्छी नाइस रेड लिपस्टिक आप लगा लो आपके lips के ऊपर, it's just going to brighten up your entire look. And the one that I'm using is from MAC. This is the Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Fashion Legacy. I love this shade. It's just so gorgeous. बस ये है, ये थोड़ा सा transfer proof नहीं है, but otherwise the shade is amazing. So this is how my makeup has turned out to be. I absolutely love the way it has turned out. I've not applied eyeliner. Generally मैं apply करती हूँ eyeliner, but मैंने आज नहीं लगाया है. I just wanted a little bit of change in the regular makeup that I do, so that's why there's no eyeliner, but you can obviously opt for it. It's completely your choice. But yes, I am done with my makeup. I'm definitely very happy with the way it has turned out, and now I'm just going to, you know, accessorize myself a bit and I will be right back. So now that I'm done with accessorizing myself and now that I'm completely ready, this is what my final look has turned out to be. I'm pretty happy with the way it has turned out. If you also like this video, do not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also comment down below and let me know how you enjoyed watching it. I would love to hear it from you guys. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram, the links to all my social media handles along with all the links to all the products that I have used in today's video. Everything is going to be mentioned in the description box below. अगर आपको किसी भी चीज़ की लिंक चाहिए, सारी लिंक्स आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगी. And with that we come to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, please share this video as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and also a very happy Karwa Chauth.